What is machine learning in simple words? What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, which is broadly defined as the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Artificial intelligence systems are used to perform complex tasks in a way that is similar to how humans solve problems. What is the difference between AI and ML? AI includes everything from smart assistants like Alexa to robotic vacuum cleaners and self-driving cars. Machine learning, ML, is one among many other branches of AI. ML is the science of developing algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use to perform complex tasks without explicit instructions. What is an example of machine learning? 1. Facial recognition. Facial recognition is one of the more obvious applications of machine learning. People previously received name suggestions for their mobile photos and Facebook tagging, but now someone is immediately tagged and verified by comparing and analyzing patterns through facial contours. What is the best way to explain machine learning? Simply, machine learning finds patterns in data and uses them to make predictions. Whenever you have large amounts of data and want to automate smart predictions, machine learning could be the right tool to use. Is machine learning difficult? Machine learning can be difficult to learn because it requires in-depth knowledge of math and computer science. Optimizing algorithms is a meticulous task and debugging them requires inspecting multiple dimensions of code. What does machine learning do in real life? Recommendation engines are one of the most popular applications of machine learning, as product recommendations are featured on most e-commerce websites. Using machine learning models, websites track your behavior to recognize patterns in your browsing history, previous purchases, and shopping cart activity. Is machine learning difficult? Machine learning can be difficult to learn because it requires in-depth knowledge of math and computer science. Optimizing algorithms is a meticulous task and debugging them requires inspecting multiple dimensions of code. Who uses machine learning in daily life? Machine learning and transportation. Ride-sharing applications like Uber and Lyft use ML to match riders and drivers, set prices, examine traffic and, like Google Maps, analyze real-time traffic conditions to optimize the driving route and predict an estimated arrival time. Computer vision fuels self-driving cars. What is the market share of machine learning? The market size in the machine learning market is projected to reach $204.30 billion United States dollars in 2024. The market size is expected to show an annual growth rate, CAGR 2024-2030, of 17.15%, resulting in a market volume of $528.10 billion United States dollars by 2030. It's time you think about what ML can do for your business. Machine learning can learn from data to solve real-world problems without being unequivocally programmed. Engage and empower enterprises at any level of ML adoption maturity. Onpassive offers an end-to-end platform that democratizes AI, enabling every employee and customer with modern AI technology and easy-to-use apps. Supervised learning. The principal task of supervised learning is to dive deep into the labeled training data. Unsupervised learning. To depict the concealed structure without delving into the labeled training data. Reinforcement learning. A robot is a PC program that associates with a dynamic environment to accomplish a specific goal. Developing solutions that evolve with challenges. Every product that is built and envisioned depends on simplifying and bettering every task that we do now. As the science of machine learning develops further, our products will evolve and develop, offering better highlights. We have ample experience and involvement in standard professional services. Onpassive endeavors to attract the best worldwide ability focused on research brilliance in deep learning and machine learning. Improving business analytics. Best-in-class solutions. Customized AI solutions. Simplify complex risks with self-learning algorithms. Reimagine algorithm for all. Empower and engage your data science platform by collaborating effectively with data architects and business team to build and ceaselessly improve machine learning models with appropriate governance set up in place. Interested in what Onpassive is doing? Register at onpassive.com, get 3 free gifts and take a tour of the Onpassive ecosystem.